Oh, God. Oh, man. Oh, Lord. Hey. My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech. All right, I admit it. I don't really talk about sneakers, okay? I got a lot of sneakers. I do have a video coming up at the end of the year where I will showcase my sneaker collection, but I do like to talk about anything creative. Today, it's about tech. Got this bag right here. When you do like store pickup, Best Buy put this big old thing on here. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm pretty sure most of you know what that is. This goes with this, and yeah. So right here we have my first Apple Watch unboxing purchase. I mean, okay, I had the Series 1 for 2 days. That doesn't even count. So this is my first Apple Watch purchase, and let's unbox this bad boy. Wow. So, now you get your watch band. This is the little Velcro. Oh, this is a multicolored one. I didn't even know that. Okay, so okay, got a little multicolored swag. I'm with it. And then we got right here the 40mm aluminum goodness. Bam, you know what I'm saying? You know, there's a little fancy Apple little thing. There goes the charger. Man, come on, man. Y'all know what's up here. All right. You know, I had to grab my Ridge power bank. Yo, shout out to Ridge, man. Y'all don't know about them. They're not sponsoring this video or anything, but you know what I'm saying? That right there is my wallet, minimalist wallet. For those of you trying to minimize your pocket, trust me, listen to me. There's a link in my description below. It doesn't really give me anything, not anymore. I think I already maxed out what I could get from them. So, but it'll save you something, so go for it. I wonder how much power this shot. So shipped with a decent amount of power, you know what I'm saying? Which is dope. I like the idea of that. Bam, we got this little Velcro joint, okay, so this is the outside. Yeah, it's a little colorful. Boom. So there you go. That's the colored, multicolored Velcro strap, little get down. Bam, bam. Now this is my Galaxy watch from Samsung. I know, for all my watch lovers out there, bam, got that. Hey, I got another Samsung customizing video coming up. I know this is Apple season, so you know what I mean, but hey. So Galaxy watch, the watch that I love, and for so many reasons, which is a part of the thing about me putting this Apple Watch up against this bad boy. I need to know, like legit, out of these two watches and experiences, you know what I mean? The Apple Watch with the iOS and then like a Galaxy Watch with the Samsung or Android device. I need to know which is the better overall user experience, and that's what I'm gonna let you guys know. Is this thing setting itself up on its own without me? Hold on, player. Now I have a small wrist, right? Hold on, let me bang. You know what I'm saying? I don't have one of those big, huge wrists, but I love big, huge watches, heavy watches, you know what I'm saying? I like some weight on my thing. Now this bad boy is small, light, and I actually like how light it is. It's actually a change, like, man. And the same thing with the iPhone XS Max. In comparison to my Galaxy Note 9. Oh, okay, hold on Siri, quit trolling. In comparison to the Galaxy Note 9, the XS Max is so much lighter. This, look at this combo right here, like on my arm, like I don't feel weighed down and bogged down. And that's one of the pluses I think that people don't realize. That accounts to the beautiful Apple design. People think it's just all about the looks, but no, they're thinking more about the consumer. They're making it convenient for you to carry your device around and want to carry it. Light devices, premium build, looks, and design, man. That Apple experience. And it's something that's real. I don't care, you're gonna probably start trying to hit up with the iSheep or whatever. Come on, bruh, come on. I'm just a tech lover, and Apple makes great tech. I'm gonna set this thing up real quick. So set language is English. Yeah, you know what I mean? Sí, yo hablo español muy poquito, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm from LA, you know what I mean? We gotta know how to speak that. Bam, my screen is being recorded so that way you can see what I'm doing here. So we're gonna hit up the watch app so that we could pair this bad boy. Start pairing. Put your Apple Watch, hold it to the camera. Okay, they want to see all that, huh? Is this it? Bam, do you got the little set up Apple Watch? That's crazy how, like, I don't know what the heck that is. I just saw what little weird little image that thing put off. That's like some, man, it's like some CIA 00 agent type stuff, man. It wasn't even like no traditional QR code. That's on some next level stuff. Let's see. So, which wrist do you wear your watch? On the left side, you know what I'm saying? Now, see, they be trying to hit you with these terms and conditions, you know what I mean? We're about to sign away our soul. Here you go, Apple. Bam, agree. Enable route tracking. Let me see. Nah, we don't. I don't need you to be tracking me, okay, Apple? You know what I'm saying? I'm in the cut all the time. No, I don't share with Apple. I never share my information or whatever. For those of you that do, for the sake of us getting better products, thank you. Not me. Let's see. Apple Watch share settings with iPhone for. Okay, that's fine. Apple Watch passcode. Yeah, sure. Let's create one. Oh, do I have to have one? I don't know. I know what Bam. Yeah, y'all can't see that. Okay, that's a secret joint. Setup activity. What is activity? I've never done this. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. You know what I'm saying? I want to be up in here. Dang, they want to know too much info though. Helps you live a healthier life. Okay. I'm gonna probably blur this out. Y'all don't need to know all this info about me. We're not gonna set up cellular. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it Bluetooth for now. Sure. Apple Watch. Man, this is really small. But even though this watch is small, it's like from what I'm seeing, because it's using this full surface, it's small, it's light, but it doesn't feel like too crazy small and light. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like on the gear, I got like all of this watch, but in reality, the screen is only from here to here to here to here. So there we go, let me lean off. So displays, you looking at the displays, it's not really that much off. Galaxy Watch is a round face, which is something I'm really big on, which is a big reason why I love Samsung watches, because they look more traditional. Now, the Apple Watch is one of these things where obviously wherever you go, you know it's an Apple Watch because it's a damn rectangle. Now, I'm loving the fact that they rounded it out a little bit more. I guess they were maybe thinking about going round, but then they want to stay true to, you know, that Apple aesthetic, that design, so that you know when you see it on someone else's wrist that it's an Apple Watch. Man, how light this thing is right now is amazing. It's crazy. I'm curious to see how the stainless steel is gonna be. Your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Bam. Woo. Now, see it. Now, so I'm gonna record this. we're gonna put this camera on the iPhone to use. So now, so this is the watch face that you first get on here. Now, I don't like the white side on it. I'm gonna have to black that out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to get in here and figure out how to edit that and get the all black face. I want the one from the commercial. Y'all over here starting me off with the white one, Apple. Where's the one from the commercial? Why I don't have the all black one? You know what I mean? All black everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up. But man, how light this thing is amazing. Like, it feels like there's nothing on my wrist. Like, I actually like this. You know what I mean? I'm not even gonna stunt. I thought 40 millimeter was a no-no, a no-go. 40 is looking nice. Now let's see, how can I edit this? Can I edit the watch face from the app? Let me go ahead and hit a screen record real quick so that we could get in here. Now, where's that watch? Damn, watch app. Okay, I see watch. Oh, face gallery. That's the one I want. With the black color. Woohoo, there it is. Look at that bad boy on there. There's another thing about having an Apple Watch is the lack of customability in the Apple Watch faces. Now on my gear, I get to get dope round faces, you know what I mean? Rolex, Tudor, Breitling, things like that. Yes, it's a digital face, but it gives my watch even more of a traditional look, and I love that. Like, I absolutely love that. Look at the swag on this thing with the metal band and everything. Like, I'm looking high end and classy. Like, I like the look, swagful as usual, and I have a traditional looking timepiece. Now with the Apple Watch, you know what I'm saying? You gotta add bands to it. You gotta give it its classy swag. It's classy, but I need a little more class, a little more swag. You know what I mean? I want it to look a little more high end. That's why I went with the stainless steel 44 millimeter all gold Milanese. Boy, can't wait till it gets here. It's gonna be in a couple of days, you know what I'm saying? But I'll deal with this one for now, you know what I mean? This is a good one for, you know what I mean, try to get active, you know what I mean? This one right here is A1. So I wanna also, when I get the stainless steel, I want to talk to those people who might be in between aluminum and stainless steel, give you some of the trade-off, pros and cons of each, so that way I can help you make a better decision. Same thing with the 40 millimeter in comparison to the 44 millimeter, which is why this one I grabbed. Also, you know what I mean, I got to get inside of the Apple season, baby. I'm here for this. I don't know how to do anything on Apple Watch. That's why this is called my first Apple Watch. I'm going to have to learn this thing over the next couple of days, you know what I mean? Start giving some tips. Maybe I'll do like a little thing for people who are new coming over to Apple Watch, help you out, because I need to help myself out. Probably gonna have to go watch some YouTube videos right now and learn what I'm doing. But I'm gonna play with this bad boy. I just want to share with you my first opening. I want to share with you like my smartwatch, you know, documentary of how I'm rolling with this bad boy, because I'm huge on smartwatches. Matter of fact, let me show you how serious I am. I got that one right there, okay? You know what I'm saying? I got that one right there. And if I could find, I have the original Huawei watch somewhere around here too, but for now, as you can see, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? We got bam, bam, and bam. So, you know what? We gotta get that thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get the thumbnail right quick. You know what I mean? Here you go. Lit. So, huge on smartwatches. I love them, obviously, as you can see. And I gotta get them all. So hit the comment section down below for any of you. This might be your first time with an Apple Watch. This will be mine. So you're gonna get like a true, authentic, like real review of someone switching over to Apple Watch for the first time. So whether you're new to smartwatches or whether you're coming over from Android, I got you, baby. My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech. Not much sneakers and anything creative. That's gonna be the new slogan.